Hello everyone. Let's discuss about the RBI monetary policy update. So we all know that today RBI has altered the monetary policy, right? Has given a monetary policy update. So we all know that this was the 56th MPC meeting. Okay, so this was the 56th MPC meeting. Chairperson obviously was the RBI governor, Mr. Sanjay Malhotra, and the attendees were as follows. And the policy repo rate as of now is being maintained at 5.5%. There is no change. So the repo rate here is unchanged this time. Okay, the standing deposit facility, marginal standing facility, bank rate, everything is unchanged as of now. And why it is unchanged? Because achieving the CPI inflation target as of now 4% plus minus 2% band is very well supporting the RBI in terms of economic growth. That's why they have decided to keep it steady this time. They haven't changed it, right? The policy stance is now neutral. Okay, the policy stance is now shifted to neutral, and that's what is written here. They have maintained the repo rate at 5.5%. Okay. If we talk about the global economic environment, then the global economic environment is still challenging. Why it is still challenging? Though the financial market volatility and the geopolitical uncertainties are now stable, but the trade negotiations challenges continue to linger on as of now, and the pace of disinflation is slowing down. Okay, so these were the things that were being maintained, that were being mentioned in this particular monetary policy this time. Okay, अभी भी जो trade challenges हैं, trade negotiation challenges हैं, वो अभी तक close नहीं हुए हैं. They are still in a, I will say, dilemma, right? If we talk about the growth, then resilient growth is there, evolving as addressed. As assessed, so it is driven by the private consumption, fixed investments in service sector and construction activity as of now. So private construction aided by the rural demand, fixed investments supported by government capital expenditure continue to boost the economic activity as of now. If we talk about the service sector and the construction activity, they are also robust. Okay, so you need to know the things that has been mentioned in the monetary policy here. However, industrial sector में थोड़ा सा issue था. Industrial sector mein there was a problem due to electricity and mining. This particular thing we have also covered in finance current affairs session, right? Next, if we talk about the GDP projection, the 25-26, which is financial year 2026 projection, is being retained at 6.5% as of now. Okay, and quarter wise estimates भी यहाँ पे आपको given है. However, अगर आप financial year का estimate याद कर लेते हो तो that's again fine, right? If you talk about the CPI, then CPI headline inflation declined over the 8th consecutive month to 77-month low. So as of now, it is 2.1% in June 2025, right? Driven primarily due to drop in the food inflation and the agriculture activity, right? So these were the driving reasons. So as of now, the headline inflation is 2.1%, which is very well within the RBI's टारगेट रेंज. ओके, फूड इन्फ्लेशन नेगेटिव टेरिटरी के अंदर चला गया था, ये भी हमने देखा था, और कोर इन्फ्लेशन अभी भी स्टेबल है, रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 4.1% टू 4.2%. दिस इज फॉर द फरवरी एंड मई डेटा, राइट? एंड ये 4.4% तक चला गया था इन द जून मंथ. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ द इंक्रीज इन द गोल्ड प्राइसेस. दिस वॉज द इन्फ्लेशन एनालिसिस, राइट? इन्फ्लेशन ड्राइवर्स बेटर हैं, फेवरेबल हैं अभी भी, और इन्फ्लेशन इज वेरी वेल विद इन द कंट्रोल दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड, राइट? इन्फ्लेशन प्रोजेक्शन फॉर फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2026, द RBI's projection of inflation is 3.1%. okay, as of now it is 3.1%, and here is the quarterly estimates basically. So it's balanced, I will say, and they have also shared the projection of the CPI inflation just like in एवरी मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी. जो हर मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी में शेयर करते हैं, इस बार भी वैसा ही यहाँ पे शेयर किया, राइट? व्हाट इज द रैशनल फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर डिसीजन ऑफ कीपिंग द पॉलिसी रेट्स सेम ओनली? इन्फ्लेशन इज वेरी वेल विद इन द रेंज. CPI इन्फ्लेशन इज प्रोजेक्टेड टू राइज अबाउ 4% फ्रॉम Q4 ऑफ 2026 ऑनवर्ड, एंड वी कैन सी इन्फ्लेशन जो है तो आपके क्वार्टरली एस्टिमेट के हिसाब से Q4 में 4% का थ्रेशोल्ड क्रॉस कर रहा है, राइट? अदरवाइज अब अगले साल भी, ये वाले आने वाले साल भी, पूरे 2026 के अंदर द इन्फ्लेशन इज नॉट क्रॉसिंग द बैंड, राइट, ऑफ 4%. कोर इन्फ्लेशन भी स्टेबल है, ग्रोथ रॉबस्ट है, इन लाइन विद द प्रोजेक्शंस एज वेल, प्लस टैरिफ अनसर्टेनिटीज आर स्टिल देयर. 100 BPS का जो रेट कट हुआ था इन फरवरी 2025, वो अभी भी ट्रांसमिट हो रहा है स्लोली. सो अभी उनको लगा कि यहाँ पे रेट कट्स करने की नीड नहीं है, राइट, एंड दे आर मेंटेनिंग द रेपो रेट एट 5.5%. दिस इज अ न्यूट्रल स्टैंस आपको याद करना है, रीजंस आपको पता होने चाहिए, और ये चीज़ की आने वाले टाइम में भी इन्फ्लेशन जो है वो 4% के ऊपर Q4 के बाद ही जाने वाला है. प्लस द inflation estimate and GDP estimate is the thing that you need to remember. So the current repo rate here will be 5.5% this time, right? 5.5% is the repo rate. Expected growth rate is 6.5%. Expected inflation here will be 3.1%. This is the financial year 2026 ka data, and the rationale behind the decision is mentioned in this particular slide. Still the benefit of that 100 BPS rate cut in 2025 is transmitting. Monetary policy transmission अभी भी चल रहा है, okay, it's still ongoing, and we have already in place a 60% flat sale on all the regulatory exam subscription. So if you are looking for any courses, definitely you can check out this offer as well. This is an amazing offer. You can use the code BDAY to get a flat 60% off on all the regulatory body courses. Okay guys, thank you so much. See you soon in another video.